Hey everybody, it is Kate Dillon with CrateInsider.com, and today, of course we're in December right now, and I thought today I'll put out a spread of some different items that would be great gifts for the racers out there and racers in your life. If you're a racer watching, maybe you're like me and you buy just as many gifts for yourself as you do for other people, or you could just kind of accidentally slide this video in front of one of the persons you love and see if they'll pick up some of these items for you. So a few things to highlight or to think about going into the holiday season is, consider getting a new helmet. And we've got a selection of helmets. We've got some Zamp helmets. We also have some Bell helmets on the shelf. So you can always see at CrateInsider.com, especially when it comes to helmets, you can see our exact inventory of what we have available. Some other gifting ideas. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the tools that I've got out here. One of them would be our tire gauges. We've got a few different options, but a tire gauge is a great gift for a racer. These, the ones that we sell, are long Acre. They are a digital gauge because, with an analog gauge, of course they're a good gauge, but here you know exactly how much pressure you have in your racing tires, because we all know that is super crucial. Now, next up, let's talk about some valve spring tools, and we have quite a few. We have our LSM valve spring pressure tester. This is an on-the-car tester, so your engine, everything is all set up, and then you can test your valve springs right on the engine, and so that this is going to last you a lifetime, probably. It's all CNC machine, T6061 aluminum, billet machined. It's wonderful. So, or CNC machined, excuse me. And there we go. So that's the valve spring pressure tester. After you test your springs and you realize you need to put some new ones on, having the LSM valve spring changer is also a great tool, and it's a great thing to see wrapped underneath the Christmas tree. And these come in boxes. Both of these come in boxes. They can be wrapped up and ready right under the tree. Something else that could be wrapped up would be the long Acre Leakdown tester. And this is a great time of year actually to make sure that you test your engine, leak it down, make sure it doesn't need to be rebuilt or replaced, and this right here, the long Acre Leakdown tester, is a great choice for that. Now we got this right over here too. A wonderful piece here is our MPI steering wheel. This is a 15-inch wheel, and it is a dished wheel, and it is the most popular out of all the steering wheels we've sold in the past. This, in fact, is the only one we sell for right now. You gotta love the orange line at the top. Really helps with being able to judge how much you're turning. So steering wheel is great under the tree. Now let's take a look at some of these that could be some stocking stuffers. I don't know how big my stocking is here, but tire durometer. Now this one is from All Star, and a tire durometer can also really help you out. And I think I'm going to hold off on, I've got some other little stuff that can go in there. Another one of my favorite tools is our DRP mini grease gun. This is set up so that you could really be able to grease any bearing. It's got a little needle right here. You can maybe see, and you don't have to worry about putting it different fittings or anything on this. You can use this to grease almost any bearing, and it makes it very simple. Just, you've got the cartridge in here, and when we sell this, it's a complete package with the grease and all, and then you can just squeeze it and you're good to go. So some of the stocking stuffers. Back to valve spring tools, we have the valve lash adjusting tool. So of course you check your springs, you change your springs, and then you want to adjust them and make sure that they're all properly set. And this is our valve lash adjusting tool from LSM Racing Products, and fits beautifully in this little stocking here. Another option too is take a look at the receiver that you have from this last season. See if it's going to make it for another season. And if not, we have two different options for the receivers. We have the receiver Fusion that is right here, or the Element. Oh, here's the Fusion, and this one uses AA batteries. Or we have the Element, which can be charged with a USB. Or if you're not sure about which one, just buy both. That works out too. That way you've got a backup, because you never know when tech is going to go wrong. At least not in my office. We know tech goes wrong all the time. So those are just a few different gift ideas. And of course, you can browse our website at CrateInsider.com, pick up lots of different ideas. In fact, we even have a holiday gifting section, so check that out. And if you need any help with finding the right gift for your racer, feel free to give us a call. All that information is on our website, CrateInsider.com. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in another video.